And this is our objective for lesson today. The first one is peserta didik dapat membacakan dan memahami percakapan dengan hafal dan intonasi yang benar sesuai dengan teks yang diberikan. Kemudian peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi dan mencatat informasi spesifik mengenai kebanggaan terhadap Indonesia dalam aspek lokasi, ukuran, kepulauan, populasi, pulau, perairan, geografi, dan iklim. Kemudian peserta didik dapat membuat sebuah paragraf pendek dalam bahasa Inggris yang menjelaskan tentang kebanggaan terhadap Indonesia. Dan yang terakhir, peserta didik dapat tampil di depan kelas dan membacakan paragraf yang telah dibuatnya dalam bahasa Inggris yang diberi dan kelas. Jadi, kali ini pada akhir pembelajaran nanti kalian akan diminta membuat sebuah paragraf mengenai kebanggaan terhadap Indonesia dan membacakannya di depan. But before that, I want to ask you all, what map is this?
Indonesia's map.
Yes, of course it is map about Indonesia. And then I want one of you to read this text about why we of Indonesia. Can you read this? Anyone volunteer? Okay, Nurhaliza.
Indonesia is a big country. It is between two continents, Asia and Australia, and between two oceans, the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. It is the largest archipelago in the world. There are more than 17,000 islands in Indonesia. We have a lot of islands. The big ones are Papua, Kalimantan, Sumatra, Sulawesi, and Java. Of the five islands, Java is the smallest, but it is the most populated one. You can find people from around Indonesia and Java. Then, Indonesia is on the equator. It is a tropical country. The sun shines brightly every day, so it is mostly hot. It has two seasons, the rainy season and the dry season.
Alright, thank you Nurhaliza. Everyone please give applause to Nurhaliza. Anyone can read this text? Volunteer?
Me.
Okay, Cynthia.
There are many seas in Indonesia: the Java Sea, the Banda Sea, the Arafura Sea, the Banda Sea, the Timor Sea, and many others. We also have many straits like the Suez Strait in Java and Sumatra, the Lombok Strait in Bali and Lombok, and many others. Next. Indonesia also has many mountains. Many of them are still active and can travel anytime. We call them volcanoes, like Semeru and Merapi in Sumatera, Merapi in Java, and Lombok, then Lombok in Sulawesi. When they erupt, they bring out very hot lava on the inside of the earth.
Alright, thank you Cynthia. Everyone give applause to Cynthia. Now, from the text that we have read, can anyone tell me about what information that can you get from the text?
Indonesia is a very rich country.
Alright. Anyone? Any others? Can read from the text.
Indonesia has a lot of islands.
Alright. Any others?
Now No.
Okay, so now I want to give you this paper for your work. You can work in pairs because we have 4 students. So you work in pairs to fill the table, and you can write down the information from the what we have read. What we have read. So, and then we will discuss it together. I give you, is 15 enough? 15 minutes enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, 15 minutes start from now on. Have you guys finished?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, let's discuss together. For the first aspect is the location, and it's already written on the paper. The first one is between 2 continents, Asia and Australia, and between 2 oceans, the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. And the second information is Indonesia is on the equator. And the next information is about size. Alright, what is the answer?
Indonesia is a big country.
Indonesia is a big country. Good job. The next one is about archipelago. What is the first information?
It is the largest archipelago in the world.
Alright. The second information?
There are more than 17,000 islands in the ocean.
Alright, good job. The next one is about
The population
first information.
of the island, Java is the smallest, but it is its population.
Alright. The next information?
We can find people from around Indonesia in Java.
Java is so small, but has most population. The next information?
The island.
The island. What the first information?
We have a lot of islands in Papua, Kalimantan, Sumatera, Sulawesi, and Java.
Alright. The next one?
Of islands, Java is the smallest.
The next aspect is about
Waters.
how much waters? The first information?
There are many seas in Indonesia, the Java Sea, the Banda Sea, the Arab Sea, the Banda Sea, the Timor Sea, and many others.
The next one?
The mountains and coastline.
Is that the different answer?
No,
It's okay. Okay. What is the next information?
we also have an industry that represents the area in Java and Madra, the Bali and Lombok, and many others.
Alright. The next aspect is about
The mountains and volcanoes.
what is the information?
Indonesia also has many mountains.
Read it out. Read it out.
Indonesia also has many mountains. Many of them are still active and get around any time. And then we call them volcanoes like Sinabung and Merapi in Sumatra, Merapi in Java, and Lokon in Sulawesi.
Right. Is there any other aspect?
Yes.
What is
The climate.
the last one? Okay. What is the first information?
It is a tropical country.
Right. The second one?
The sun shines regularly days for the smoky hot. It has two seasons, the rainy season and the dry season.
Alright. Thank you. Good class for us. Right. So next, I want you to write a paragraph about I'm proud of Indonesia. This like what makes you proud of being Indonesian or what makes you proud Indonesia. So I'll give you 15 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes.
Okay. And then I want to all of you to come in front of us and read the paragraph that you have written better. 15 minutes start from now on. Have you finished? Yes, miss. Alright, if you finish, I will call you one by one to come in front of the class and read the paragraph that you have written. Cynthia, can you read us? Yes, can you read for us?
Hello everyone.
Hello.
I will read my paragraph on why are Indonesia. The land is very fertile. Farmers grow many kinds of vegetables and fruits. They also grow coconuts. Indonesian people eat a lot of vegetables like spinach, carrots, long beans, eggplants, cabbages, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, chilies, compost, and many others. That's all.
Alright, give applause for Cynthia. Alright, thank you, Cynthia. Alright, the next one, Vensia. Will you read for us your paragraph? Alright, everyone start.
We also grow many kinds of fruit. We call them local fruits like guavas, bananas, rambutans, durians, mangosteens, soursops, papayas, pineapples, and salad. Some people call it snake fruit. They are very nice, sweet, and juicy. We eat them fresh. We also make delicious juice of them. We also grow many kinds of fruit to make crackers.
Alright. Thank you. Give us Alright. So, we all have a bit about our paragraph Indonesia. Now I will give you a homework, but it's a fair homework. So, I already put the information, and then you can fill the table below with the information according to it, based on the information above, right? So, this is pair work. You can collect it to me on the next meeting, right? Okay. Alright, I think that's all for our lesson today. So, what we have learned for today? Can anyone answer it?
On how Indonesia look like.
Oh, how Indonesia look like? What else?
We learn about the things in Indonesia and also the sea in Indonesia. So,
Any others?
we learned about many reasons why we should be proud as an Indonesian.
Alright, thank you. So, we as Indonesians should be proud of our country because Indonesia is not a country, but Indonesia has a lot of things that we can be proud of. So I think that's all for our lesson today. And thank you for listening. Good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Rini.